Subtraction of two-digit number without regrouping. Once upon a time, there lived a tiger in the forest. The tiger was very hungry and asked his friends something to eat, but no animal responded to it. As Balu is the friend of the tiger, it wanted to share some honey with the tiger. Balu has 80 pots of honey. It gave 30 pots to the tiger. How many pots of honey is left with Balu? Let us find the answer using bundle of sticks and loose sticks. Balu has 80 pots. Here, 80 is the minuend. 80 pots is equal to 8 bundles of 10. Balu gives 30 pots to the tiger. Here, 30 is the subtrahend. Now, take away 30 pots. That is 3 bundles of 10 from 80 pots. How many pots are left? So, the Balu is left with 50 pots of honey. We can also subtract 30 from 80 by arranging the numbers vertically according to their place values. Step 1. Subtract ones. 0 ones minus 0 ones is equal to 0 ones. Step 2. Subtract tens. So, 8 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 5 tens. So, 80 minus 30 is equal to 50. The tiger's stomach is not full. It went again in search of food. The wolf has 38 fish. He gave 13 fish to the tiger. How many fish are left with the wolf? Let us subtract the numbers by arranging them vertically in a place value table. Step 1. Subtract ones. 8 ones minus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones. Step 2. Subtract tens. 3 tens minus 1 ten is equal to 2 tens. So, 38 minus 13 is equal to 25. 25 is called difference. The answer of subtraction is called difference. Let us recall. To subtract two-digit numbers, first arrange them vertically according to place value. First, subtract the numbers in the ones place and write the answer in the ones place below. Then, subtract the numbers in the tens place and write the answer in the tens place below. The answer of subtraction is called difference.